Hello guys, I am Master Stark and welcome to our channel Otakugan. Today we are going to review 11th episode of ReZero Season 2 with spoilers. So let's start without any delay. Wonderful anime quality and BGM. Speaking of the content, it was built up for the next two episodes. Episode starts with conversation between Beatrice and Subaru. And on this plot, we came to know about Beatrice is binded by a contract with Echidna. The contract was to protect the library till one person comes in the library to free her. And before some episode, we were hyped what there is a gospel doing with Beatrice. But in this episode, we came to know that gospel was showing nothing or there was nothing written in the gospel. Beatrice only wish was to get free from that contract. But the person Echidna talked about never came. Then we come to know that the person Echidna was talking about was none other than Subaru. Then we heard a confession from Beatrice in which she said if Subaru wants to save her, then he has to choose Beatrice over every other person. Then Elsa interrupts the conversation. Beatrice used Shamak to run away from the mansion. Then a surprise which is written of Meili Portrude, the Ma-Beast user, we saw in the first season. She says she destroyed the village and killed both Frederick and Petra. It means she also killed Rem. Then Elsa comes to Beatrice and Elsa fights. Beatrice froze her and break her. But when it's come to Meili, Subaru tries to stop her because Meili is a loli and they start argument. In that time, I don't know Elsa recovers or the one Beatrice broke was a dummy. But real Elsa stabs Beatrice from the back and blinds Subaru with one eye. While dying, Beatrice teleports Subaru in the sanctuary. When he reached there, he saw there was snowfall everywhere. After that, he went to Emilia. They have a convo, but Emilia was acting weird. You can see on the screen.
スバルも私をそう思ってくれると嬉しいなスバル大好き
What she said to Subaru. After finishing convo, Subaru meets Garfield and Subaru tells him about his lovey-dovey talk with Emilia. But as we know, Subaru also knows the truth that Emilia was behaving weird. Then Garfield asks Subaru about Snow and starts to blame Emilia about it. But Subaru tells him it was not the doing of Emilia. Then he asks where is Roswaal and then he goes to have a convo with Roswaal. Then he directly asks Roswaal is he the one making Century Snow. Then Roswaal asks him did Subaru heard that from him. Then Roswaal kills Ram and Garfield for interrupting their convo. Yes, I am saying it bluntly because neither Roswaal nor Subaru gave a damn reaction on it. So I also don't have any right to give a reaction. Then Subaru comes to know that Roswaal knows about Subaru's return by death power. Then Roswaal shows him the gospel, the genuine one, not the defective one. Subaru asks Roswaal, why is he doing this? Then Roswaal says, he does this to fulfill his dearest wish. Then we come to know that Roswaal makes Snowfall to make Emilia emotionally unstable. That's why Emilia was behaving weird. And he also says Subaru's current self cannot correct the discrepancy, so he tells Subaru to start over and correct his mistakes. Then the Great Rabbits attack on Roswaal and Subaru. Show ends with Subaru sleeping in Yandere Emilia's lap. A great episode for the build-up, but it was also a little bit creepy. But still, it was a great one. Before ending the episode, I want you to answer me a question in comments. If Beatrice would have confessed before Rem in the first season and if Rem would have confessed her love in second season, who would you have supported? So that's all about today. Meet you in the next episode. Till that, stay safe.